Hi guys, as you just saw, today I'm bringing you a creative intro composed of circles and text. If you want to know how to do it, keep watching the video. We start a software. Create a new project. First, find this button, click on it. In the background section, change your default black color to the one you want. Click down to apply the adjustment. Find text icon in the toolbar, click on it. Add the text you want in the inspector. Choose a font style. Then, adjust the text size and position. Scroll down to the text shadow area to change the color. Adjust the value again. Once done, you can copy it using the shortcut Ctrl+C. And then click on the plus icon on the leftmost side of the track to add a new track. Paste the text here. Modify text content in the inspector. Adjust the position again. Now find the camera icon above the preview window. Click on it to generate a screenshot of the current text. Go back to your main interface. Remove the text content from these two texts. Click this button again to change the background color to a brighter one. Click the camera icon again to generate the current solid color image. Now import the two images into the software together. Change the background color back to the default black. Then drag the image onto the video track one by one. Open the effects panel in the top left corner. Find a circular mask. Drag it onto the timeline to align these two images. Then adjust the properties in the inspector. Click the camera icon to generate the image. Now we drag the text image onto the overlay track. Complete basic editing for it. Then find the motion icon in the toolbar. Click on it to add motion effects. Here I will directly add a roll motion. The software will automatically generate keyframes and preset effects. We can delete unwanted frames. Adjust the timing of each keyframe. Or adjust the speed curve based on your needs. This will give you a pretty good result. Click Apply to apply the adjustment. Let's open the effects panel again to enrich the beginning of the video. Drag the line effect onto the effect track. Adjust the duration a little bit. Then add a new effect track. Drag the color glitch effect here. Add the duration. Adjust the intensity in the inspector. This completes part of the editing. First, we find this button. Click on it to add several more overlay tracks. Then drag the solid color image onto the blank track. Complete the basic editing for it. Click the color icon in the toolbar to enter a new page. Lower the exposure and highlights of this image in the custom area on the right. Balance the other values. Click Apply to apply the adjustment. Then we continue drag this circular image onto the next track. In the inspector, find the compositing area. Add a screen blend mode to it. Then we click the motion icon to add motion effects to it. At the first frame, we click Add Keyframe. Adjust the box to fill the entire screen. Then move the playhead to the back and add 3 more keyframes. Then adjust the position of these keyframes one by one. This way, you can get a desired motion effect. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Then we continue to drag the text image onto the timeline. Besides completing the basic editing, we also need to add a color blend mode for it. And don't forget to add fading effects to these 3 images one by one. This will make their appearance more natural. Finally, we collect the video material behind the text effects. Then add a piece of music. And now, a creative intro is complete. Alright, that's all for today's video. If you want to see more other topics, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!